A cofunction is a function that gives you the complementary value. So like for cosecant pi over 3, we want to write this in terms of its kind of brother-sister function. Cosecant and secant are related to one another because you can make the graph of cosecant with the graph of secant with a horizontal shift. Okay, and we need it to be a complementary angle. So basically what we're going to do is if you look at the graph of cosecant and secant, you'll see that the two graphs are similar to each other. They've just been shifted by pi over 2 units. Okay, so in order to make secant be the cofunction, we need to be pi over 2 minus pi over 3. Because if you simplify that, getting common denominators, you get pi over 6. That way, if you add pi over 3 and pi over 6 to one another, they make 3 pi over 6, which is pi over 2, a 90-degree angle. I'll try to do another one that doesn't have just cosecant, secant, but cosecant and secant are those brother and sister functions where they can do the same thing if you just horizontally shift them. So if cosecant is 56 degrees, then secant of 34 degrees is the complementary angle, because that makes them add up to 90 degrees, and it's the reciprocal trig function. So sine's brother-sister function is cosine. So we just need to take write it as cosine, take a 90 degrees, and subtract the 7 pi over 16. That way these two angles are complementary. Right? That way they add up to 90 degrees. So if you simplify, multiply the top and the bottom by 8, the complementary angle to 7 pi over 16 is pi over 16, because those add up to be a 90-degree angle, pi over 2. And that's our cofunction, because that's that brother-sister function with sine.